little sweetheart. We came home from town to hear him cheeping like this. I think he's had a stroke, and his one side isn't working. The other side was making him push himself around in a circle. His tail feathers were all mangled. I'm so sorry, sweetheart. He's my beautiful big boy. I love him. So I have tried to give him some hand feeding formula. So the one side works and the other side doesn't. Yeah, he's kind of pushing that way. We had Willow years ago. She had a stroke or something, was completely unable to do anything except pull herself by her beak. And Rhett fed her one whole winter, kept her alive, and she fully recovered. And became the mate of a different bird and a mother, and she was completely well. So I'm hoping if I feed him formula, because his mate is a hen and the males feed the females. Well, that leg worked. Look at that. You got that leg up. That's an improvement. Yeah. Anyway, we just keep working with him and praying for him. He's not a young bird, but I love him. He's big and beautiful. I'm so sorry. I am so sorry, sweetheart. Yeah, it's okay. It's okay. It's all right. It's all right. Yeah. Okay. We just keep taking care of you and hope you get better. So, sweetheart, I had him in that little box. And somehow, Valentine, leave him alone. I don't know if you're helping him or hurting him. I don't know. Oops. Trying to get some formula here to show you. Okay. Here, sweetheart. You want some of this, buddy? Here you go. Yeah. Hard to eat, is it? Difficult to eat that. Yeah, he was eating it a minute ago. There you go. Now you're getting it. Yeah, poor baby. Yeah. Maybe if I can feed him formula, baby formula, like I'm feeding the baby birds. I can keep him hydrated, keep him fed, and maybe he'll recover. He's got back up here on the perch by himself. Don't know how he did that. Yeah. Poor little guy. I'm going to put a water bottle next to him there. I haven't done that yet, but there's a hook there ready for him. Valentine, don't pick on him. I don't know if you're helping or not. Oh. He just keeps peeping and kind of jerking in that one direction. His tail's kind of messed up from circling. He's not completely numb on that side like he was earlier. Yeah. My poor boy. My poor sweetheart. I love you. Okay. I'm gonna quit trying to mess with the camera and take better care of him. See if I can't give him some more food and water. Yeah. He's a special bird to me. Here's my sweetheart bird. He's on the floor. He's not feeling real great, but he's doing better. He's willing to eat millet. He's not getting off the floor. He doesn't have that twitch anymore that he had from whatever happened to him. I have water on the floor back there. See that? Water on the floor where he can reach it. I gave him millet, which is easy to eat, and some conditioning nestling food. Have a box, millet, or a tissue box over there that he can get into. I had him in it for a while, but he came out. So he's alive. He's not twitching like he was when he seemed to have had a stroke or something. He's doing better. He's not feeling great. He's not getting up on perches yet, but he's definitely better than he was. Yeah, my sweet boy. My sweet, sweet, sweetheart. And Valentine's been very worried about him. She goes over and checks on him all the time. So we'll keep you updated, my sweet, wonderful older bird that he is. Yeah, good sweetheart. Love you. There's my sweetheart bird. He's looking almost well. Are we doing okay, sweetheart? You and Valentine? Oh, come here. We doing okay? Yeah, are you feeling all right? I didn't offer to get on my finger. You get on Mommy's finger? Will ya? Okay, I'm not gonna make you. I won't make you. I don't know how well he is or isn't at this point. But he's up on a perch, and he's been eating millet and stuff. And Valentine's keeping him company, aren't you, Valentine? You being good to him? Yeah. So I've got my fingers crossed. We had a male splendid who had a stroke not too long ago, a few months back. And he recovered, or appeared to recover, and then a couple weeks later, I found him on the bottom of the cage, gone. So sometimes when they have a stroke, that can be an indication that, yeah, they seem okay, but maybe long term, maybe not. We'll wait and see. I hope you're going to be okay for much longer, sweetheart, because I love you. Yeah, you don't look quite as good as your normal chirpy self, but you'll sure look better than you did last Friday. And this is Monday, so that quickly he got much better. Yeah, my good babies. Put the cage door down because I don't want you to come out and fly around. Not that you probably could. Here's my sweetheart 2 weeks later. You doing fine? Tell everybody you're doing just real well, aren't you? Yeah. My good boy. You want to give me kisses? I can't lean in and give you kisses while I'm holding the camera. Yeah. So sweetheart's doing great. 2 weeks later, you wouldn't even know he had a stroke. Yeah. And I hope he continues to stay healthy. Yeah. My good boy. I love you. Yes, I do. And Valentine's way back the other end of the cage over there. You were feeding her when I got here, and as soon as I started to take a picture of him feeding her, he decided to come over and see me instead. Yeah. So couldn't get a picture of you feeding her, could I? Nope, still got food in your mouth though. Okay, so there's our sweetheart. Healthy and doing okay. 2 weeks after what appeared to be, I guess, a mini stroke. Yeah, my beautiful boy. Probably my oldest bird right now. Yeah, you're not a youngster anymore, but I love you. Okay. Bye, Bye for now.